Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest in productivity apps. Today, we're diving into Shortwave, an email client built by a team that includes former Google employees. If you are a fan of Google Inbox and are looking for an alternative that makes Gmail better, then this might be the app for you. Shortwave picks up where Google Inbox left off. It brings back the feature of bundling emails into categories like social, finance, and calendar appointments. This makes your inbox more organized and easier to manage. You also get the ability to pin emails to the top of your inbox or snooze them for later.
And the team behind Shortwave has been adding AI features to enhance your email experience.
Shortwave follows the Shortwave method, a variant of the Inbox Zero system. The app suggests you triage your messages by pinning, snoozing, or archiving them before tackling work-intensive requests in your inbox. It also encourages you to automate certain processes for quick and efficient management. Shortwave offers a free version, but it only gives access to the 90 most recent days of your email. If you want more, the paid version costs $9 per month per Gmail account you want to connect. The main feature that Shortwave carries over from Inbox is bundles. These automatically sort similar email messages into one line in your inbox, making it easier to spot important emails. Shortwave incorporates AI features, and while it doesn't write your emails for you like some apps, it does use AI in certain cases to improve your email experience. Shortwave's privacy policy is clear and assures that data is encrypted and not sold to third parties. It undergoes an annual security audit to ensure your information is protected. Overall, Shortwave is a great option if you need a new system for processing email and want an app that's opinionated about how you should do it. However, if you prefer more flexibility, it offers similar features, works with multiple email providers, and comes with a free version to try out. That wraps up our review of Shortwave. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of productivity apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.